Like be? Is it good?
Those are good. Banana chips with honey.
So I
But
said
you're my honey.
hello. Mag-live today kay sayot ta na human. Ay karon pa mi na human sa among meeting. Tataw di ay. It's 11 na pala, 11:20.
Oh yeah, it is 11:30. Got loud. Got late fast.
Sa ingon niya be. Hi there, read the comment bibi.
Hello. They all are just saying hi.
Manghatag mig kwanday. Pang snack ninyo day, there's a live. Gawin na gold, 2,500. Excuse me. Thank you for the gift. Ramon said, can I ask a cell phone? Ay,
Subscribe. Maybe next time.
may gabi day. Lami lagi ni ay.
You are really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
I wanna buy this more.
We have 2 more. You are really good. Wow.
Lami lagi ni o. Hello subscriber, hello Pearl.
Pearly
Shell.
You want to put your glasses on?
Pearly Shell. I don't know, later na. I don't wanna ano. Cindy 5, hello. Mga unta day. I brush my teeth already but that's okay. Hello Day. Thank you for the gift. Manghatag ko karon sa akong viewers. Katulgon man ko oy. Well, thank you for the gift.
Wow.
Baga na ginanghatag og gift. Dato ba? Pati akong connection?
Can you guys hear us?
Can you look your phone, darling?
Oh yeah. They can hear us munching away.
Can you please how much? You're gonna send me a gift?
No.
You're funny, baby.
Like sending it to myself.
But is that 500?
The 5,000?
Ah, 5,000.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Thank you for the gift, my love. Wow, thank you for the gift. Dagan na mga tag og gift. Oy, kabuotan ba? Di naman na kailangan, day. Keep it na lang na, eh. Di na naman na kailangan. But thank you. Akong bana ba? Sige, sino gift? Murag buang. Alam na akong bana da? Anga-anga? Nagsino gift.
Why not?
You're funny. Sa mga hatag ko karon ha? Among ipanghatag, how much we're gonna give away?
2,500. No, 3,000 is what we decided on.
3,000?
Why not?
Nabuang naman ni si David day, uy. Kuya, kini si David day, ug maboard day, sige panghatag day, ana sa sakwa day, oh. Let's do live. Let's give our supporters snacks for their, at night. Ako, how much? First, he said, 5,000. Are you crazy? 5,000 daw day pang snack. Pinakabuk day pulo. Ako nabuang. Mintaw ni si Uncle. Ako relax, sabi. Kaya bako rat ng hatag. Karon, sunod day, ingon siya, 2,500. Karon, pila na po day? 3,000. You're so generous.
Why not?
I mean, that's a good thing.
Yeah. Would you rather me be Kuripot?
No. It's good. Hi, Anissa. Anissa is here, my
Oh,
sister.
hey, Anissa. Go to sleep. It's late.
I'm just hoping he's gonna give us a snack. I can give you, Anissa, a snack. So you can sleep early. David Pyre, sana all among gift day big aron makaroon may tang mita. Okay, I think I will give who's this person?
No, don't pick someone.
Ah,
It's
no,
gotta
pick-
be random.
Random? Okay, we're gonna do random. You want me
Right.
to someone join our live and then who join our live and then get 3,000 pesos? You want that? I think that's more fun.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay ha? Agi katulak kong giti. Panaka sa mo dire dai sa di mga tusa ko song giti.
What?
Ay, nuoy akong kwan ba akong tiil baho. My foot is itchy. Hilom da David, uy. My foot is itchy na pa yun.
You said GT. The GT itom is itchy.
Yaw, mang kalab. Uy, ayaw pag-ano ba? Yawa, gisimhot man, day. Kita mo ito, day?
These are so good.
Hello, day. Saka mo sa kambi. Kaning kwan ba sa gets. Kinsa to makasaka mo, inay 3,000 among pasakon, day. Manghatag rami, random rami manghatag, ha? Random rami, ha? Random rami manghatag, day. Kaya, grabe kang blessing, gihatag sa Ginoo. Random rami, ha? Magpasaka ko og live. Kisa itong nisakan, matagaan og, how much? 3,000 pesos? Dakuha po na, Libby. You said 2,500.
Yeah, but now 3.
So, 3,000 na gida yung gusto, day. Nakadungog mo na mo, day? Ngomong lit man ni day, wala lagi mo. Wala lagi mo nagkatawa, day. Giatay man mo, day, oy. Saan naman niya kung na, mura naman ni Giwali-wali. Minifist day. Yes, Loisa. Kani si Loisa o, dugay na ni nag-subscribe ba? Dapat, Loisa, sunod, ikaw na po mabunutan. Dili magunit siya, kwanday, kaning bunot nga ate. Kwan, magunit siya kanang random ba? Kita pwede mga atik day, kay maggabaan tabayot. Kung sa man day, lit, among istorya day. Kaya kung yaw-yaw, lahi na lagi. Ay, lahi lagi yung response. Buang naman taon niyo, ay. Lagi ni, ay, I like it.
I really like it.
Who, ano this? Who give?
One of Owen's friends owns this.
Wong Tiff.
Wong Tiff?
So good.
Oh yeah, really good.
I wanna give this to our wedding. No? Contact this person.
Yeah.
We can give away to our
We
wedding.
can talk to Owen. Because they're really good. Holy crap, they're addicting.
Namin ko na. Na naghatag na mo ani pero wala ko kabalo kay busy kay ko. But nalimot ko kasi nihatag na mo ani lamig ayo dai. Dili ni sponsor ha. Dili ni sponsor. This is not a sponsor. One of our friend here in Cebu who give this to us, but I don't know the name, the person. He just give us. So good. It's a good snack. Busy kay Miday. Muad daw Miday. Meeting. Nakadungog mo na mo, Day? Wow, thank you for the gift.
Wow. Thank you, guys.
Sa ingon ani niya. Mayong gabi, Iday. Cindy and David, buntag na diri watching from Florida. Proud Cebuano here. Wow, thank you, Kin. Yes. Okay ra naman imong yaw-yaw, Day. Okay ra, Day, ay. Piling na ko no, lit ang among yaw-yaw, no? Lit ang akong istorya, kay lit man yung response, Day. Unsa man na, Day? Loading mo sa different world, bayot? Wow, thank you for the gift. So many people give us a gift.
Really?
Yeah, ara oh.
Oh, wow. Thank you. That's very kind.
Wow, give us oh. What's name? We need to read si people ano.
Oh.
Arlene Yang. Wow, thank you, Day. Arlene Yang. There's people pa. Angie Sito. Thank you. Takol akong kaspang giatay.
Well, Helen, thank you.
Mamili ka karon sa live, Day. Yes, mamili ko, Day. Isa mo saka der sa live, may matagaan. Wow, thank you for the star. Oh my God.
Oh,
my
God, there's so many.
So many.
Lynn and Winnie.
Aline, Don. Who else? Ini Davis. I need Davis.
Yep.
And who else? Jim
Oh my
Joradan.
gosh. Thank you, Jen.
Thank you, Jen. Thank you, everyone
Wow.
who's sending us a gift. That's so kind. Oh, also here, oh. Chongqing Kaila, Bochike, kanis, Sanso, who else give us, ano, kapaspas ba ninyo, day? Uy. Si, Michael Magyaw, and Lori Lee? Okay, you the one read na po the board, be? Kapuin ko ba?
Oh, do you want a snack?
Yes.
All right.
Durot ang inyong kaon.
Joy, thank you so much. All right. Let's see. And Kelvin, Jinky, Kim. Wow. So many. Ging. You guys are crazy. Thank you so much.
Okay, I think it's time to...
All right, it's time?
Yeah.
All right. It's time. Who wants to win 3,000 pesos? All right.
Just for snacks, Dai.
How do we do that?
You press the...
All right. If you want to win, enter to ask if you want to join the live or whatever it is, and we're gonna go and we're just gonna pick someone random in, let's say, 2 minutes. Yeah, at 11:35, we're gonna pick someone. So if you put in your request now, then we'll pick a name soon.
Yes.
In the meantime, you'll just have to see us, watch us looking adorable, eating these ridiculously delicious and addicting banana chips.
Good, no?
Oh, yeah, they really
Look
are.
at
I'm
that.
glad we didn't give them away.
Well, are we gonna give this to Elena?
No,
What did you give her?
I gave her the other one, the coconut chips. But we kept the chocolate coconut chips
Banana chips with honey?
with honey. I think that's why they're so good. I think it's the honey that's so good. Very refined.
Masira man tagkaon na ni Bayot. Okay.
Nope, not yet. 1 more minute. Get your requests in.
Mag-request mo, Day, para tagkuan ba, random rami mamili. Random rami mamili. Kisa to maka-join, mato na 3,000 pesos. Wala lang, ipanglingaw-lingaw lang ko ni Day. Para nang ba? Malingaw po mo, kay dagan kay sunod akong Gcash, Day, kailangan na ipahura. Bugirang buwang.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, you do first.
Alright, wait, first, are we doing it more than once?
Bato pick first. Hold
Alright,
on.
ready? How many are we doing?
5 or 2.
Just 2? First 2? Okay,
Yeah.
ready?
Bato,
pick.
shoot. Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Bato, pick.
I win. Okay.
Alright, you get to go first.
I need to close my eyes or no?
No.
Okay.
But just like scroll up, down, pick.
Isa kayo makakuha ng bruha ni. Okay, Day. Ready na, Day? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tay, bitaw,
Alright,
no?
30 seconds to answer.
Dugay, magtani gaya. Iya, manbugan ani ni Inday. Tubagan na dayon, Day! Wag you guys, swerte, Day. Matuog yung karong mag... Ala! Dito. Dito ba? Wapagisig na lang buwang.
Waiting.
Sus, pastilan.
There she is.
Hello, Day! Hello!
I think she was sleeping.
Tulog ka, Day?
Hi, Dai.
Mata na, Day!
Hello.
Hello! Hello!
Hello.
Hello, Day! Bisaya ka, Day, or Tagalog?
Bisaya.
Oh, i-message ko dahil kay tagaan ti kag 3,000 Gcash.
Aray, salamat kayo, ma'am.
Yes, salamat.
Salamat
Okay, message
kayo,
ko, ha?
ma'am.
I-message
Sige,
ko.
ma'am.
Karon
Sige,
dahil ko.
ma'am.
O, screenshot
sige,
sa
ma'am.
daan. Screenshot daan. Kay para mailhan ako.
Sige, ma'am.
Screenshot sa. Kay basig dito ka mailhan.
Langit man ni Uy, nga di man mo kuha.
Ay,
Isa
nakabalo. O,
mong
sige. Bakit naman? O, say ngalan ni mo, Day. Aka na, Day. Sige
Ay.
ko.
Oh,
Anali, ma'am.
Okay, screenshot, Day. Kabalo kami screenshot, Day. Para i-message sa kuha ba. Para di ko mabuang pangita.
Ma'am, dili man makita imo ang nawong, ma'am.
Di makita ko na ang cellphone. Ay, bebe, ako na lang message mo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sige, ma'am. Salamat kayo, ma'am.
salamat.
Salamat kayo, ma'am, sir. Salamat kayo. Salamat.
Okay, bye-bye, Dam. Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Bye-bye, bye-bye. Salamat kayo.
Thank you. Okay. Why you cannot see there?
It just hasn't happened yet. There's a delay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, no? Are you sure lang? Nakita to ninyo, Day? Nakita to ninyo kitsa to nakasulot? Di atay man to. Di man makita sa kamera ni Uncle. Nakita ninyo, Day, katong nisaka si Madam? Ang kwan, baka nang duhami. Nakita, wa. Tukan sa tinuod, Day, mga. So, ano? Na-curious ko, Day. Nakita, Day? Sige, nanatay na tagan og 3,000. Lipan tos Madam, at least, di ba, natubag? Nakita ba ninyo, wa?
Did you record her name?
It's gonna be direct to do live when we do live
Oh yeah, it will say that we were live with.
with this person.
person.
Nakita ra day. Okay, okay. Okay, sige, kisay sunod. Okay, bato-bato pa ibig sa may uncle.
What topic for what?
You wanna give more or no more now?
You want to give more?
It's up to you, yeah. That's so weird. Just one only.
All right.
Okay, give one more. Okay ha? Pag-join na diya, day. Kaya manghatag na pangita na punta, day. Oh, we have a lot of, people watching.
Oh my gosh, look at all those people. Wow.
Okay, let's go,
You
day.
guys love giveaway. Wait, but you won. All right, fine, whatever.
Okay, you want,
No. Come on.
Taman 5.
Right, 5?
5, yeah.
Okay.
Bato, bato,
pick.
bato, bato,
pick.
bato, bato,
pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Yo.
Bato, pick. Bato, pick.
Okay, I will give you that.
No. Well, you won. Fair and
No,
square.
I will give you to you that.
No.
You love my life.
I know.
You're my only one darling in the world. You do
Yeah,
it, darling.
no. You won fair and square.
Okay, so okay. Okay, ready na, Day? I think they delayed because the response delayed.
Delay.
No?
Yep.
Yata yung malaki.
So
Okay, go.
they should get all of your requests in again. We're gonna pick one again in 1 minute.
1 minute.
11:40.
Okay, 1 minute, Day.
So we're just doing bato pick now on the stream.
Kamay sibi. Okay, it's time na.
Yep.
Okay. It's time to choose. Hi, Elena girl. Elena's here.
Alina, go to bed.
Okay, ha? Mm.
All right.
Fine.
All right, go pick someone.
Kasi kay sunod ani masurtian. Hmm? What? Birth to spread?
Hmm?
This one?
Hmm.
So?
Sure. No, but you gotta pick someone randomly. Or scrolling. And I'm gonna close my eyes. And this person. Nope. This person.
Okay, go. I win, man!
Huh?
I won,
I
man.
know, but you did it wrong.
Okay.
Sorry you don't know how to do a random selection.
Ana, wag gani si Inday.
Dun dun dun.
Duga kay tubag. Wag gyud kay 3,000 ron burikata ka. Tubagan ayon day. Dugay ka kamo tubag ron. Wag gyud kay 3,000 ron day matulog gyud ka magmahay-mahay ron. Bitaw.
Uh-oh. He's not joining me. We might have to pick again.
We're gonna choose different one.
3, 2, 1. All right. Next.
Makalingaw man din ni do.
I don't know why is that not canceling.
Bugo man kana po. Okay, you do it again.
All right.
Gal naman lab. Buang.
Buong kaayo. Hey, my eyes were closed. You gotta tell me. All right.
Enough.
Yo.
Lakin sa ka na masulti ang gisa to. Hala!
There we go.
Tupag! Hello?
Hello.
Puro lagi babae. Halo?
Hi, Di.
Hello!
Dahil dyan, may 3,000 ka pang snack.
Oh, please. Hi, baby.
Halo, i-message ko, Day.
Hello!
Gilang ka ng bata, Day. Kamata ko kabuhan, Day.
No, good busy.
Gilang noon.
Ano po yun?
Day, message ko, Day.
Ano, dili ka makita. Di ka makita, Day.
Ikaw, makita. I-message ko.
Hello, salamat.
Thank you. Ay, message ko. Nadarati ka, Gcash.
Ikaw, lumilang ka. Nauna sa layo.
Hello. Sige, Day, ha. I-message ko, ha.
Oh, sige, salamat, Day.
Sige, kanina ka bata, Day. Mawaya sa na, Day.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
The babies were so upset.
Ito, prejudice, mom.
They were like,
Yeah.
we're tired.
Yeah. Okay. Ginasunod. Okay. Sakto na to, gikapoy naman ko, Day. Ugma na po, Day. Ugma, Day, mahatag ko ang 5,000. Balik bayan box, mag-ready mo mga yawa mo. That's enough na.
Okay.
Gikapoy na ko.
Ikapoy?
Yeah.
Wow. So tapo lang. What?
Taluba ka.
I don't know. Tapo lang. Tapo lang.
Tapulan, ako asawa, tapulan.
I love that song. Encherito, macho, burrito.
Rito.
Ako asawa, pahopila.
Na! Bastos mong kadibir. Bastos mong kalupang. Kung ba na diba, ang mo ni Day?
Ako asawa.
Day, ako, Day, B, na.
Tapo lang kaayo.
O, sige, tagaan na lang punti ka, Day. Di mag-uol.
Ako asawa, guwapa, pero yawa, yawa. Mwah!
Yawa. Agay.
Get off me. What? You can gum me later if you want.
Dita. Day, babay na day, ka maghabal sa amin, day. Iyot daw mi, day. Maghabal sa daw mi, day. Oy, gikapoy na ko, day. Day, ugma lang ta maghuman og live, day. Dapat dugay mi mag-live karon, day.
What does human mean?
Human na?
Human.
Done.
Done?
Yeah.
Because human means human.
Maghabal sa amin, day.
No, stop it. Don't do that.
So man sila. Uy, dudat ikaw nag-ingon, day ako day ba mo di mo tubag man ko day. Di mag-goal day. Okay. Then, are you hungry, baby?
No. Why are you?
No. I'm just asking because I heard your stomach like,
No, that was me farting.
no, I don't think so. 'Cause that was like a stomach close.
No, that was my stomach grumbling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why is that? No, like every time you, even like you're full, and then when your stomach like still like there is sounds. Sometimes it's happened to me. Even like I'm very full,
Mhm.
and then I can hear my stomach like something going on there. There's like a voice, something there.
Because it's shifting around and contracting and
Ti naa kay gamay, wala oy dako ra. La 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 la. Makalingaw man ning live usahay no say dili. Ano man aday? All right, everyone, thank you for watching the live tonight. And we're gonna do live in next week. We're gonna give away Balikbayan bags and we're gonna give away 100,000 pesos. Get ready. Yes.
so subscribe if you want to join for the big giveaways.
Yeah, but the Balikbayan bags
Boxes is for
my
top
top fun.
fans.
Yeah, I just want to be clear that, guys, okay? The Balikbayan bags is top fun. So we're gonna do this all the time because it's more fun. Because subscribers, kasi di ba, I have like almost 7 million followers. It's so difficult for us, manggod, to kana bitaw magkuha og name. It's so hard for us kay daghan gyud kay ang name di kaya.
Yeah.
So who subscribe us, mora to siya kana bitaw mabilang na gyud siya nga tao. Mao na siyang kuha na gyud siya kanang dali ra siya mapik. Dali ra siya mapik kay mabilang ra ba. But imagine is 7 million people. Lisod ka na bayot.
Yeah, we just physically can't get all of the names of all of the
Yeah.
followers.
Dili gyud na mo
So
makuha
there has
all.
to be some filter. And so
Yes.
we're using the top fans as a filter. So
Yeah. So sa tapan, mao na among gituyo gina siya namo day, okay? Kay 7 millions people day, di gyud na siya malista day, di gyud na siya makuha tanang name kay lisod jud kay day. We try it before.
it crashed my computer.
Yeah, it's very difficult gud siya day, as in literal. Mo tong we've tried to find a way, subscriber og tapan. Diba? Ang tapan magud kay mag-comment lang ka diha sa ubos na imong pangalan, tapan ka. Ano bitaw nakig-engage ka sa mua, nakig-share ka sa mua, subscriber also. Makita po na mo siya kay gamay ram gud siya naka-subscribe. It comes of gamay ra naka-subscribe. Nakay possible nga makakuha gyud ka sa mga dagko nga butang kay we just love giving away.
It's fun.
It's very fun. You know, ganahan lang miday kay ang kwarta day dili man na mo na madala kung asa miday. To be honest lang, di man ko kuan nga pagkababae day kani bitang hangul. Dili day. I just love giving away. I just love helping people. So that's what we do. Anyway, guwapa ko te. Guwapa ka bag umataw. Sige na day, bye-bye na. All right.
All right. Bye guys. Have a good night.
Kadungog ra mo na mo day. Hagar ra nakugnaw.
No, dili haggard. Guwapa ka ayo.
Guwapa ko la.
Guwapa ka ayo.
Guwapa daw ko day.
Mm-mm.
Guwapo kay akong baby. Oh.
Sleepy pa.
Sleepy pa?
Sleepy pa.
Gwapo si David day, no? Gwapo kay ko love. Lami kay ko tilaan love. Taas kay ilong kita niya. Itong ilong marag palwa nga gidabdaban.
Dabdaban? Did you say dabdaban?
Yeah. I love, you need to try this love, oh. Pan burikat love. This is pan burikat. You never had this.
I eat boricat all the time.
I know, but you need to try pan burikat.
But I eat boricat all the time.
This is different, yaw. Bugo, magkalab. Uy, sige na. Ay, bye-bye na, day. Bye-bye na, day. Okay, bye-bye. Aha.